Today, we're witnessing a pivotal moment in the digital world. Pi Network has just become a main sponsor for Consensus 2026, one of the most influential blockchain conferences globally. This isn't just a marketing move. It's a bold declaration that Pi Network is ready to join the ranks of the industry's biggest players. For years, Pi Network quietly built its foundation, growing a massive community of pioneers who believed in accessible cryptocurrency. Now, by sponsoring Consensus, Pi is stepping out of its development phase and into the mainstream spotlight. This move validates the dedication of its developers and the patience of millions of users worldwide. From a simple mobile mining app to sharing the stage with giants of finance and technology, Pi's journey is remarkable. This sponsorship marks Pi's transition from concept to a real force in the Web3 ecosystem. It's not just about visibility, it's about joining the conversation that shapes the future of blockchain. For pioneers, this is a moment of pride and proof that their belief in Pi was justified. Pi Network is bridging its grassroots community with the institutional world, signaling that it's ready for the global stage. The story of Pi is just beginning. Consensus is the annual epicenter of the crypto world. Forbes calls it the Super Bowl of blockchain. From May 5th to 7th, 2026, Miami will host over 20,000 developers, investors, and industry leaders. This is where major announcements are made and the industry's direction is set. Being a main sponsor isn't just prestigious, it puts Pi Network at the heart of the most critical conversations in crypto. Keynotes from industry titans like Michael Saylor and Brad Garlinghouse set the tone for the year. Pi Network's 20-minute mainstage session is a rare chance to present its vision to an elite audience. The exposure extends far beyond attendees. Global media and investors will be watching. This is how projects leap from niche communities to global phenomena. Pi Network's sponsorship places it alongside industry giants like Ripple, Grayscale, Google Cloud, MasterCard, and Circle. Sharing this stage instantly elevates Pi's status, moving it from a speculative newcomer to a legitimate player. Years of careful planning and community growth have led to this moment. Critics questioned Pi's slow approach, but now its strategy is clear. Build a strong foundation before a global debut. The association with established brands builds trust and credibility, attracting partners and developers. Seeing Pi's logo next to MasterCard's or Google's signals seriousness to the world. This isn't just marketing, it's strategic positioning. Pi Network is announcing its arrival as a peer among the industry's elite. At the heart of Pi Network is Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis, a Stanford PhD and blockchain expert. His vision democratize access to cryptocurrency for everyone, not just the tech-savvy. Early cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin were hard to access. Pi aimed to change that with mobile-first mining. The long enclosed mainnet phase allowed millions to join, complete KYC, and learn before facing open market volatility. Every decision reflects Dr. Kokkalis's commitment to inclusivity and sustainability. Now, as Pi steps onto the global stage, his vision of a user-friendly, accessible blockchain is in the spotlight. Pi is evolving from a digital coin to a comprehensive platform with real-world utility. Dr. Kokkalis's leadership is about building a global community and empowering developers to solve real problems. The Consensus sponsorship is proof that this vision is becoming reality. Pi Network is ready to share its mission of accessible crypto with the world. This is the culmination of years of dedication to making crypto for everyone. Beyond headlines, Pi Network's real strength lies in its technology. On Pi Day 2026, the launch of Protocol v20.2 marked the first steps toward smart contract support, a leap toward real utility. Smart contracts are the backbone of decentralized apps, from DeFi to NFTs. With this upgrade, Pi is transforming from a simple currency to a full-fledged platform for developers. Continuous protocol upgrades show a clear, steady roadmap. The enclosed mainnet allows for secure growth and KYC verification before opening to the world. The open mainnet launch is drawing closer, with Consensus 2026 signaling that the big moment is near. These technical foundations are crucial for supporting Pi's 47 million users and future applications. Pi isn't rushing. Each upgrade ensures a robust, scalable ecosystem for global adoption. While Pi isn't officially trading, exchanges list PIIOUs, speculative tokens reflecting future value. In March 2026, PIIOUs surged to $0.30 after Kraken-enabled trading, then corrected to $0.18. Volatility is natural for pre-launch tokens, with technical indicators hinting at big moves ahead. Token unlocks are increasing supply, over 175 million PI, released in 30 days, potentially adding sell pressure. These unlocks are part of Pi's tokenomics, rewarding early contributors and ecosystem growth. Remember, current trading is speculative. True value emerges after open mainnet launch. The Consensus sponsorship fuels optimism, but fundamentals and tokenomics will shape the real market. Navigating this phase requires understanding both long-term vision and short-term market forces. Pi Network's greatest asset is its community, over 47 million strong by the end of 2023. These pioneers are the lifeblood of the project, mining, testing, and spreading Pi's vision worldwide. The Consensus sponsorship has ignited excitement, validating years of belief and patience. Social media is buzzing, with grassroots marketing that money can't buy. Pi's presence at major events is growing, from Token 2049 in Singapore to now headlining Consensus. Each event boosts legitimacy and attracts new users and developers. The collective voice of millions is a force that drives trends and shapes narratives. As Pi takes the stage in Miami, it represents a vast, passionate global family. This community is the foundation of Pi's future success. The world is about to witness the power of a truly decentralized, people-powered movement. Pi's community is its secret weapon. Pi Network's participation in Consensus 2026 marks a new era, transitioning from quiet development to global engagement. For years, Pi built strength behind the scenes. Now, it's stepping into the spotlight. This event is Pi's official debut to the mainstream crypto and financial world. Sponsorship fundamentally changes perceptions, forcing the industry to take Pi seriously. Investors and tech leaders who once overlooked Pi will now pay attention. The main stage presentation on Pi and AI is a chance to showcase innovation and vision. Consensus could be the perfect launchpad for the open mainnet, aligning global attention with Pi's public debut. The excitement could attract developers, partners, and massive demand. Years of careful strategy are about to pay off. Pi is ready to open its borders to the world. Consensus 2026 is the bridge between Pi's enclosed ecosystem and the global blockchain landscape. Pi Network's journey to Consensus 2026 could reshape the entire blockchain industry. The biggest barrier to crypto adoption has always been accessibility, Pi's mission from day one. By onboarding tens of millions through a simple app, Pi has created a blueprint for mass adoption. Its massive user base offers developers a ready market, sparking innovation for real-world utility. Pi could become the go-to platform for apps with global reach, shifting focus from niche finance to everyday tools. Its model prioritizes community and user experience over hype, inspiring a new wave of user-centric projects. If Pi succeeds, it proves the future of blockchain is about empowering people, not just technology. Consensus 2026 is a landmark, uniting vision, community, and technical strength. Pi has the potential to bridge blockchain's promise with the daily lives of billions. The future of blockchain may be shaped by the path Pi is forging today.